finding the exact value of a trigonometric expression using identities. So here we are asked to find the exact value of each expression. Do not use a calculator. In part A, we have tangent 10 degrees minus sine 10 over cosine 10. So look at this fraction, sine over cosine. Does that remind you of something? It should, because we learned tangent theta is just the ratio of sine over cosine. That means the ratio of sine and cosine is just tangent. So we can write the sine, same angle, 10 degrees, so sine over cosine is tangent. So we have tangent 10 degrees, that's the first term, minus sine 10 over cosine 10, same angle, so that's just tangent 10. And now tangent 10 minus tangent 10 is cancelled, so 0. Same thing, minus. Okay, 0. In part B, we have cosine square pi over 5. Pi over 5 is the angle, pi over 5. And here is the ratio, so 1 over cosecant square. We know that cosecant, cosecant of any angle, cosecant is reciprocal of sine, 1 over sine of the same angle. This is same as, if we have sine theta, then we can write 1 over cosecant theta. Okay, sine is reciprocal of cosecant, and cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So 1 over cosecant is pretty much sine, and square, sine is square means we write here square, cosecant is square here. So here we can write 1 over cosecant is just sine, and we have square. So this is same as cosine square, the angle pi over 5, plus 1 over cosecant is sine, and we have square, pi over 5. Now we have the same angles, pi over 5, pi over 5. This is sine square some angle plus cosine square some angle plus sine square some angle. And we also know that when we have sine square theta plus cosine square same angle theta, then this collectively becomes 1. And we have that exact situation here. Okay, they are written in opposite but plus plus, same thing. So this is just 1. Cosine square theta plus sine square theta. The angles should match, which is the case, so this is just 1. Okay, next, so let me erase this now. Secant square 40 degrees minus tangent square 40 degrees. We know that from fundamental identities, there were 3, let me recall all of them. Have sine square plus cosine square is 1. 1 plus tangent square is secant square. Okay, and 1 plus cotangent square is cosecant square. But here this question is concerned with secant and tangent, so I'm going to apply this. So secant square, this angle is same as 1 plus tangent square. So secant square 40 degrees is, using this formula, 1 plus tangent square theta, which is 40 degrees, minus, let's leave tangent square 40 degrees. Now plus tangent square 40 degrees minus tangent square 40 degrees, so we can cancel. So this is just 1. Okay, so the final answer 1 for part C. Let's come back here for part D. So we have a product, tangent 10 degrees times cosine 10 degrees times cosecant 10 degrees. Okay, now tangent, So cosine, cosecant. So whenever tangent is involved, always write as a ratio of sine and cosine, because we know tangent is just sine over cosine. But we must write the same angle, 10 degrees, 10 degrees. Times cosine, that's already there, just leave cosine 10 degrees. Now cosecant, as we saw earlier, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So cosecant is just 1 over sine. Okay, whenever you are asked to simplify, always try to write in terms of sine and cosine. Okay, now this cosine, that's on the top, there's something means 1, bottom, they cancel, and sine 10 also cancel. Okay, so nothing left, means just 1 is the product, so the final answer is 1.